today we're gonna put up the Christmas tree. We're gonna get in the Christmas spirit.
It's really a beautiful, ugly day outside today.
We're gonna have a major windstorm. Up on the road, my sister lost power. Everybody seems to have lost power. Well, hey everyone and welcome. This is my Christmas Decorate With Me. Sorry, that's my coffee brewing over here.
If we haven't met, I'm Allison and I love creating a variety of content. I post a video each week and sometimes I take you along on my travels as a flight attendant, and other times we stay closer to home as I cook up some comedy in the kitchen. Don't waste the sun is my motto, and I would love to have you all come along. So like and subscribe, hit that bell notification at the top of the page, and let's get back to decorating.
Here is our Christmas decor. Okay guys, we have all of this to work with.
I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing?
I think fluffing the tree is my least favorite part of this process. I have a friend who just wraps her tree up after Christmas in cellophane or plastic wrap with all the ornaments on it, and she puts it away like that so she doesn't have to do this the next year. I think that's a great idea if you can keep your tree like fluffed for the whole year, but I personally just kind of enjoy putting the decorations on my tree again, so I think that would like lose a little bit of the Christmas spirit for me.
I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days.
Sometimes I buy a Christmas ornament on my layovers. It's an incline in Pittsburgh, so I bought this one when I was in Pittsburgh.
With you and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. Just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Still going, I'm still adding Christmas decorations on there. I need more at the top there. And I know it's looking heavy. The older I get, the less I want a designer tree, and I just want the memories and my special ornaments on there. I do like old and the new mixed in. I'm gonna find a tree topper at some point because I don't have a tree topper. So I don't even really care what goes on top of there, but I just think it's fun to decorate the tree. And I just love my old ornaments on there. So no designer tree for me this year, just doing what I love.
I worry about the weather.
I think we're having like 60-mile-an-hour winds. My lights are still on, and I can tell across the street they're still on. And I'm pretty sure up the road they're all gone because I saw transformers blowing. The wind and the rain here is crazy.
For a sign, something to remind me of the place I left behind. My time of the year.
guys, it is day 2 of Decorate With Me. There are huge limbs down in my road right here. Thankfully, I never lost power, but up on the road, my sister lost power. Everybody seems to have lost power around here, and I'm very grateful that I was able to drink my hot coffee this morning. We got a lot done yesterday. We got the tree all set up. I'm gonna clean up the house a little bit, decorate, and finish up. My sister taught me was that if you put a lamp in a spot in your kitchen, it makes it cozy. This candle, and it is from Avon. I think it must be from the 70s or the 80s, but I have always just loved it. It's kind of been this thing from my childhood, so I've always held on to it. I love it. So I'm gonna stick this over here in this corner.
There's a feeling I remember from the time when I was young, on the last days of December, me and you and everyone, we would run around the big house where your cousins used to live, and we'd do lots of things I know our folks would not forgive.
But I had an idea that involves going to the beach for a moment.
Oh, I know it's a lot